Pocahontas. Chapter 1. Pocahontas is born.
My name is Mingan, and this means gray wolf. I'm a Native American, and I am from an Algonquin tribe called the Powhatan. It's a Native American tradition to tell stories, and I'm going to tell you a story about a famous person from my tribe, a girl called Pocahontas. Like all Native Americans, our tribe lived close to nature. We grew corn and other crops. As a child, I swam with my friends and caught fish in the river and in the sea too. We hunted animals for food and used the skins to make clothes, shoes, and tents. Our mothers and sisters made jewelry from shells and animal teeth. In the evenings, the men often sat around the campfire and smoked a special pipe. I waited impatiently to grow up and sit with them. On special evenings, the tribe danced, sang, and played drums together. Those evenings were wonderful. In 1595, the Powhatan chief had a baby girl. Her name was Matauka. And she was a very pretty child. Everybody was very happy, and we celebrated all night. Matauka grew into a strong, happy girl. She was curious about everything, and she loved exploring and meeting new people. She also ran after the bigger boys and wanted to play with them. "Wait for me, I want to play too," Matauka shouted. We called her Playful One, or, in the Powhatan language, Pocahontas.
Chapter 2. The white men arrive.
In the spring of 1607, 3 English ships arrived in America. We went with the Powhatan chief to see them. We saw more than 100 men and women with white skin and strange clothes. They spoke a different language to us. We watched them curiously. Who were these strange people? Why are they here? What do they want? We asked. The new people wanted to live in the new world of America. They began to build a town near our village. They called it Jamestown, and they called the river James River. This was because James was the name of the King of England. They called the area Virginia. We didn't understand. These places already had Algonquin names. Why did they give them new names?